Whenever you do something positive, be it listening to Dharma teachings in front of the guru or via audio-video files, releasing animals, reciting mantras, etc., at the end, seal the positive action properly by dedicating the merit. This dedication will ensure that the merit continuously grows and becomes even greater. This is like depositing cash at a bank, so the money is sealed and the interest is growing. If you choose not to deposit, the money will be stolen or misspent at any time. Therefore, many experienced Tibetan practitioners place great importance on dedication. For example, if someone comes to them abruptly while they are meditating or doing other good deeds, they will tell the person, "Please wait a minute. I will get back to you after dedicating my merit." If they don't have time for a long dedication prayer, they will at least recite the following verses. Just as the Bodhisattva Manjushri attained omniscience, and Samantabhadra too, all these merits now I dedicate, to train and follow in their footsteps. As all the victorious Buddhas of past, present, and future praise dedication as supreme, so now I dedicate all these roots of virtue for all beings to perfect good actions. By doing so, the merit won't be exhausted until the attainment of Buddhahood.